Hey family, welcome to the Being Allycaral Vlogs. I'm Alisha Fernandes and I welcome you to the Allycaral kitchen for today. I hope you all are doing well and all are keeping safe and all are staying at home. Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube with our mission of Stay Home Goa. So in today's episode, what we're going to do is that we're going to do the internet sensation, which is the Dalgona Coffee. So today we are serving the Dalgona coffee in the Allycaral kitchen. So to prepare Dalgona coffee, all we require is your favorite coffee, 2 tablespoons, sugar, 2 tablespoons, milk, 1/2 liter, ice cube, around 3 quantity, warm water, 2 tablespoons, chocolate syrup, that is optional. To begin with, all we got to do is we're going to take a bowl and we're going to add your favorite coffee, which is 2 tablespoons. Following which, our next step is sugar. We're going to add the 2 tablespoons sugar. We're going to pour the 2 tablespoons of warm water. And now what we're going to do is we're going to stir this entire matter.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later. 1 eternity later.
Well, finally, this is ready. It felt like after a decade we have completed this stirring part of it. This is a little bit tiresome. Next up, what we're going to do is we're going to take a glass. We're going to add some ice cube. A little bit of dramaticness. So we're going to pour the milk. Make sure that you pour the milk almost 3/4 of the glass and then add the matter what we have prepared. And because I like chocolate syrup, I have added chocolate syrup. You can you usually drink it just like that, but since I wanted chocolate syrup in it, here it is. There you go, our Dalgona coffee is ready. Serving from the Being Allycaral kitchen. If you have prepared the Dalgona coffee, please do share pictures with us, and I would love to see them all. You can mail it to us. So with that, we come to an end of this video. Do let us know what you feel about this video. Hit a big fat thumbs up for this video. The camera work is done by my mom, so thank you so much, Mom. And yes, you know the drill. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, follow us. If you're a new subscriber, subscribe to us. If you're an already subscribed subscriber, okay. If you're already subscriber, make sure you inform in and around you to subscribe to us. And yes, during this difficult moment, stay home Goa, stay safe, and keep watching your favorite Being Allycaral vlogs.